guys, we're back at Karters Fun Toy Review, and today is this. I bought it yesterday for Karter, and I'm gonna review it. So let's open this thing up. I think you'll be happy when you see this. Okay. Ooh, these are cool. So the first one we have is this guy. Is number 1. He looks cool. He's red and black, one of my favorite colors. Red and black look awesome together, so yeah. And then the next one is this guy. It says SCC. I don't know what that means, but they also have red wheels and yellow. He has some brown right there. He looks cool. I haven't had him yet, so Karter will be really happy if I show him this. Ooh, look at this guy. It says cool. Number 22. And his name is Luke. Luke is gray. He looks cool. He looks like one of the trains I got before the Karter, but I don't think I have Luke yet. I think it just looks like another train. So we got Luke. And then we have this guy, Bill. We have Bill. It says SCC again. And I think he's like a tennis thing. I'll call him Tennis Bill. He looks cool. He has all green and yellow. That's what's cool about him. And he's not like the other trains. And then the next one, this one looks cool. This one looks like a spy. Its name is Millie. I think it's Millie or Millie. So then this one's Millie. Ooh, this one looks cool. I think I have this one. I don't know. This one looks super cool. I'll check Karter's collection after this video. This looks cool. He's number 6. He's Percy. I'll call him Scary Night Percy. The next one is this guy. You can't see him well. He has red cheeks. He's blushing. Cool. He's like a ghost. That's awesome. If you guys get this one, tell me in the comment below, because this guy is cool. Tell me if you have him, because he's super cool. The next one is this guy. It has like an axe. Has axe and fire. That is cool. His name is Dash. This one's Dash. Looks super cool. Yeah. And the next one we have here is this green guy. He looks cool. I think I already have him. I have to check the collection. He's really cool. This one's Emily. Yeah, it's Emily. It's a she. I mean a she. She looks really cool. I think I have it. I don't know. But most of them I don't have. Whoa! Look at this one. This one's awesome. His name is Henry. Henry is awesome. He's like robotic Henry. This one's super cool. And the next one is this guy. Ooh, I think I just pulled him out. He had number 1 like last time, and his name is Gario. I don't know. Tell me his name if you have him already in the comment below. Thank you. And the 2 last ones we have is this guy. Whoa, this guy looks cool. His name is Potter. I think this guy's name is Potter. He looks cool. He looks awesome. I don't have him yet, so this is good for me. I'm good. For this one's cool. Percy. Percy looks awesome. He has the wind coming out. Looks like he's super fast. I'll call him Windy Percy. This is the last and final train. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Bye!